Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Do me a favor, go down below, hit the thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm a lot. But with a new year underway, the OnePlus 13 launch event is tomorrow, January 7th, 2025. And here in the US, right now, today is January the 6th, we are able to go ahead and pre-order the OnePlus 13, what they're calling a prepay. So $50 to reserve your device. The part that's a little confusing here is it says to get an additional $50 off. So does that mean if we pay $50, we get a total of, like $100 off? Because as far as I know, if you prepay the $50, they are going to put that towards the purchase of the device. Also, they're including a free gift worth up to $299. And if we scroll down here, that gift is the OnePlus Watch 2R. So let's take a look at the colors here. The Black Eclipse, that one looks pretty good. Really reminds me of the OnePlus 12. That's the color I have. I think the one I'm going to go for is the Midnight Ocean. Just look at that, the two-tone, the blue back and the silver camera module. I really like that they've kind of moved the Hasselblad branding kind of off the module itself onto the back of the phone. I think that looks really nice. That's definitely my favorite color. A lot of people like the Arctic Dawn color. That does look really nice as well. I think that's just a little too white for my liking, just not really my taste. I think this one's a good balance. So just wanted to talk about the OnePlus 13 with you guys for a minute. Also, it says pay the remaining balance between January 7th and January 13th. Full price of the OnePlus 13 will be revealed January 7th, 2025. Trade-in options will be available at the time of payment for the remaining balance. So, I wouldn't really recommend anyone to kind of pre-order anything without knowing the price. I'm pretty much dead set on the OnePlus 13. I really want it. Want to experience the Snapdragon 8 Elite. I don't believe we're going to get a bump in storage or RAM, but I'm okay with that. Honestly, 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigs of storage is plenty for me and most people out there. Now, worst case scenario, I expect them to increase the price by $100. So $899 for the base model with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, and $999 for the 16 512 gig version. I don't like that it doesn't tell which one is which. I mean, we can go based off what we know. That standard is probably the 12 256, and enhanced is the 16 512. But it's just kind of vague, and that's the reason I don't really recommend people go and do this. Just vague details, but I am comfortable doing it because I'm dead set on the device. Now, as far as the watch here, I've never had a OnePlus watch. Honestly, I don't have very much experience with smartwatches other than a Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. They're just not my cup of tea. I don't think they really fit into my lifestyle. But if I had to choose one of these, I am definitely a fan of kind of a gunmetal slate gray. So gonna go with that one. Now, as far as OnePlus Care, I'm not too interested in that. Based on my experience, when I reviewed the OnePlus Open, decided it wasn't the device for me, and the awful experience I had with returning that. If you guys don't know the story, you can go back and look for those videos. I'm going to go ahead and prepay and get this device ordered. I will post it on the community tab, so keep an eye on that. The event is tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Not sure if I'm really going to watch the event because it's a lot of marketing type stuff, but either way, I'm pretty much dead set on the device, going to get that ordered and put out a review for you guys. Let me know what you're excited about. The OnePlus 13, also 13R. Also, let me know your favorite color of the OnePlus 13. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video.